Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending upon where you happen to be in the world today. On behalf of RocktheBizOps and RocktheBizOps Team Build, my name is Stephen Anthony, and this is the RockthePod Audiocast. Hey, Rockstars. Yeah, I know, it's been a while, right? For those of you who have been with the team for a while now, you probably figured that we just gave up on this live video stuff, and that's not what's going to happen. We're going to get back in the groove of doing these things even more regular than we did a year ago or so. And the truth is that the reason we've been away from this for a while is that my main machine kind of bit the dust here a couple of months ago, and I haven't been able to replace the entire system just yet. So I'm pretty much working from a loaner laptop, which is, it's on its last legs. It's seen better days, and I'm kind of clunking along, and it's noisy. The system is noisy. The fan runs. So I'm trying to figure out just how bad it's going to sound if I drowned it all out with the background noise and everything else. I'm hoping that today's production is not going to sound too horrible, and if that turns out to be the case, then you can expect that we're gonna be doing this kind of a thing a lot more often. And if it is horrible, then I'll have to figure out how to step up the efforts to replace what I've got going on, so that we can be doing these things more often. Because I think, the thing about RocktheBizOps Team Build is it's about the community, and it's about communication, and it's about common sense coaching, and all of these things themselves require a lot of communication. And there's only so much that we can cover as far as in a post, or it's just having video access to whether it's me talking or Dale doing an introduction to the team. I mean, the video stuff really helps a lot, and it really helps to put RocktheBizOps team into the year 2021 compared to just about any other team that is primarily focused on building downlines and all-in-one profits. And more significantly for us is the fact that it's not just about building downlines and all-in-one profits. I mean, all-in-one profits is a marketing system. So helping people to understand how to use the marketing system is pretty much the whole point of RocktheBizOps Team Build. Now, we provide done-for-you funnels and pre-written emails and all of those kinds of things, but I mean, ultimately, any individual member's success or failure as far as building downlines and all-in-one profits, or earning commissions from their efforts of list building, to be honest, I mean, anyone's individual success or failure is going to come from whether they are learning and practicing to use the marketing system itself or not. Now, all-in-one profits has been a very popular marketing system, especially when it comes to people who are using traffic exchanges and safeless mailers on a regular basis, because the price point is so incredibly affordable. I mean, $11.50 and you get a complete marketing system that includes an autoresponder that actually works, right? But the mistake that most people make is they join all-in-one profits because they're joining all-in-one profits as a part of some team that is promising to build their business for them. Well, I'm here to tell you right here, all-in-one profits all by itself is not necessarily a business opportunity. All-in-one profits is a marketing system. So if you want to have success, then you need to learn how to use the marketing system. Now, Myself and several other rock stars, sure, we have significant downlines built up in all-in-one profits, and we earn a nice little monthly recurring commission from all-in-one profits because of our downlines. But the money that we earn from our referrals and all-in-one profits is a drop in the bucket compared to all of the other commissions that we earn promoting primary offers and opportunities, or random offers and opportunities, and to our email subscriber lists. And that's a big part of what RocktheBizOps is all about. Yes, we want people to become a part of the team, which means that people are going to be joining all-in-one profits, and we want people to become a part of the community, which means that people are going to be involved in our Team Spirit promo, which is helping to land random referrals for other members on the team. But at the end of the day, RocktheBizOps Team Build is all about you and helping you to actually learn how to create results for yourself as much as anything else. And I know that some of you watching this video right now are going to think to yourselves, well, this isn't what I signed up for. I expected that Steve and Susan and Dale are going to get all my referrals for me and all I do is join. No. I mean, come on, people. Really? That never works. Never, ever, ever. Okay. It is a mathematical impossibility. Now, does Team Spirit promo help to add random referrals to Rockstar members' downlines and all-in-one profit? Yes, absolutely. It's been a little slow recently, I'm not going to lie to you, but I mean, it still happens, multiple times a month, most months, but it's you and everybody else. So you don't want to, you don't want to just assume that you're going to promote 500 traffic exchange hits to a team capture page and you're going to get 10 referrals a month. Okay, I mean it's never, that's not the reality. The reality is you need to be promoting for yourself first. You need to be focused on what you need to be doing, simple right things daily, community, communication, common sense marketing plan every single day, and you're going to start to get subscribers onto your email list, and you're going to start to get some results. You're going to get some referrals into all-in-one profits. You're going to learn how to use the all-in-one profits autoresponders so that you can broadcast out offers and opportunities other than just all-in-one profits or RocktheBizOps Team Build. And that's where you're going to start to generate some more significant revenue for yourself as well. I want to take you into RocktheBizOps team training group on Facebook real quick, because there's a post in here. I'm going to scroll down and try and find it, that is actually very relevant to what I'm kind of talking about right now. And I think this is a good point for us to kind of start back up as far as doing these Rock and Pod audio casts. And I know you can't see this very well, so I'll read it to you. The person wrote to me, we were talking about RocktheBizOps in general and how the team system works, and they say, agreed, the simpler and less complicated, the more duplicable it is. And duplication is where the money is at for everyone involved on the team. Now, duplication is a buzzword that's very popular in our industry, but if I'm being totally honest, duplication is kind of overrated. It always works for a while, especially when an opportunity is brand new, but it's hard to say, because when a new opportunity launches, people are just kind of falling over themselves to sign up and see what it's all about. And then once the buzz is over, there really is no more duplication. The only thing that you can duplicate every day is your efforts. So if you can focus on the simple right things daily, and you can duplicate those things every single day, then you have duplication that's going to work for you. But if you're expecting someone else to just produce some page and some email, and and everybody on the team is just going to make $1 million because somebody, that's not going to happen, right? So, I mean, that's why we focus on, simple daily coaching points, and we talk a lot about common sense, and we talk about the truth and the facts, right? So I'll start back at the top. Agreed, the simpler and less complicated, the more duplicable it is, and duplication is where the money is at for everyone involved on the team. And then I replied back, AIOP by itself will never be a huge money getter for anyone. So it's more about retention and adding the right referrals for the right reasons. Having a marketing system paid for, and then even just a little into profit on its own, is a winner. Then to leverage the system and leads, as we are talking about, into earning from other offers and opportunities along the way, that is where the money is. And I know that we know what we are talking about, because at the last check, my AIOP list, and this is true, my personal AIOP list, in 2 years have produced an average return of $9.87 per lead in total. And the person responded back, very impressive. And I said, zero hype and no drama required. And part of that is because at RocktheBizOps Team Build, we focus on using traffic exchange safe list mailers to promote lead capture pages and collect email addresses. So we know exactly where our leads are coming from. We have information. We know that they're using traffic exchanges. We know that they're using safe list mailers, and these are additional money-making opportunities. Very rarely does a person just use one safe list mailer or one traffic exchange. If they do, they're not having any success, and they realize that they need to be using more traffic exchanges and more safe list mailers. So, everyone on RocktheBizOps Team Build should be sending out reminders or suggestions about other traffic exchanges and other safe list mailers, because if we do that, we're going to get random referrals into these other programs, and some of those referrals are going to decide to purchase advertising credits. Some of those referrals are going to decide to take a 1-month upgrade just to see how that works for them. Every once in a while, these advertising sites run a really good one-time lifetime offer or something that might be a little higher ticket, but it's a one-time purchase. And if the referral loves the system, they're very likely to buy it. And then we pocket a big commission along the way that way. So, I mean, that's a part of what we do. All-in-one profits can be, multiple hundreds of dollars a month relatively easily if someone really wants to focus on what's going on as far as RocktheBizOps Team Build. Hundreds of dollars a month just with all-in-one profits is not a problem. But the real money is going to come from everything else that we're going to share with the email subscriber list that we're building, of all of the people who decide that they don't want to join RocktheBizOps Team Build and they don't want to join all-in-one profits. And this is the thing that we're going to work a lot harder at helping you to understand here at RocktheBizOps Team Build, that no other team build that focuses on all-in-one profits is going to do very much to help you with. So I'm going to record this. I'm going to get this on YouTube so I can hear what the audio sounds like. And if it's a go, we'll probably be right back here tomorrow doing it again. Stephen Anthony, RocktheBizOps Team Build. Enjoy your evening.